Hey guys, taking a look at silver. This one is a textbook TA play, worked out almost perfectly. And I'm starting on the weekly time frame because I want to show you where this resistance is coming from. Way back here, September 4th, 2017, resistance 18.194. We talked about that level yesterday. It's a weekly resistance level, and it was the only thing really in our way on the hourly time frame. So we jump to the hourly. Here's our setup. We have a double top at 17.75. We see that coming into play here. Again, we start setting higher lows. We see a triple top, quadruple top, really confirming that resistance is there. Finally, we see the bulls are not willing to give up that level. We see volume pour in, we crack it, and we take right off, and we smack right into 18.194 resistance. So a textbook play. Tightening range, we break a resistance, we have volume, and then we smack into the next resistance. Perfect entry, perfect target, perfect execution if you're able to catch that. So let's take a look at what happened right on the 5-minute time frame. Here's a double top. We come up again. We don't really see any resistance, which means that that big wall that was there holding us down is simply gone. And when you discover that that is gone and you have the volume to back it up and you see the volume picking up, it gets more exciting and more people pile on and they realize that we've got nothing in sight as resistance except our super hot RSIs and that weekly resistance. We come up, we consolidate. If we go to the 15-minute time frame, we probably have a little bit of a consolidation pattern. There you go, maintaining that first low here at 17.903. We hold that, we set a higher low, and then it's phase 2, kick into overdrive, smack right into resistance. So absolutely perfect. Love it. Now, what's going to happen next? Well, we don't really know. I would expect, at the very least, we should see some sort of pullback. I'm trying to get my RSI to populate here. There we go. 78 RSI. We need to cool off. We just hit a major resistance, and we seem to not really mind having our RSI super hot on the weekly time frame, but we do need to be aware that from a technical standpoint, we are expecting some sort of cool down. Now, because this has continued so long and with such strength, we need to pay more attention to the short-term price action rather than the overextended RSIs and just start entering short for only this reason. So we go to the daily time frame, see if we have any slowdown. We don't, but we are overextended as well. 4-hour time frame overextended as well. If this candle closes as is, this will be an indecision candlestick representing the price action that we're seeing, grinding against that price level. Hourly time frame, no signs of weakness yet, but we are seeing that sideways consolidation. And on the 15-minute time frame, we bumped into 18.18 a couple times, and we are now range bound between 18.19 and our last level. I'm still only going to care about 18.10. Whoever cracks first really is going to signify the next move. If we continue the upside, I will be very cautious, watching for that reversal, but the next resistance is still quite a ways away. And validate that because I haven't looked. But if we could lose our support, 18.10, our next 15-minute support is down at 17.09. And then, of course, I'm going to go to the hourly time frame, 17.09, and then 17.75. I'm going to expect that to come into play as a support. If we happen to break bull, what is our next level? 18.63. I'm assuming that I marked that out for a reason. There you go. Another weekly resistance level. And that will be the next target for the bulls.